Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change Ford Fusion door code step by step. Begin by sitting in the driver's seat with doors closed and the key fob present, then switch the ignition to accessory mode. Press and hold the lock button until the keypad flashes to access the programming menu. When the keypad is flashing, enter the current 5-digit code, then follow prompts to delete or add a new personal code for quick access. To update the door code, first enter the existing 5-digit code to confirm identity and enable programming. Next, carefully type your new 5-digit personal code, ensuring each press registers on the keypad. The system will often prompt a confirmation. If so, re-enter the new code for verification. Finally, test the new code by locking and unlocking the door using the keypad to confirm the change completed successfully and reliably. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more quick car guides. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading while you wait on repairs or parts, and it fits nicely in a glove box for long trips or service waits. Check the video description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. If you hit a snag, start by checking the key fob battery level, since low power can prevent keypad programming. If the vehicle does not accept the new code, consult the owner manual for model-specific steps or hidden reset sequences. When entering codes, press each digit deliberately and pause briefly between entries to ensure the keypad registers every press. If issues persist, try repeating the full process from accessory mode again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.